Today we're making Afghan biscuits, which are from New Zealand. Here's our ingredients. In a mixing bowl, add in 1.5 sticks of room temperature butter. Then add in 1/2 cup of sugar. We'll stir that around a little and then cream until light and fluffy. Unlike most cookies, this recipe has a high proportion of butter and relatively low sugar and no leavening or rising agent. Add in 1 1/4 cups of flour and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Stir into a creamy mixture. We scrape down the sides into our dough, and now we'll add in our cornflakes. Make sure to use unsweetened cornflakes or the cookies will be too sweet. No Tony the Tiger. And we'll stir together. The cornflakes give the cookies a distinct crunchiness. Now we're ready to place them on our baking tray. Roll them into little balls, then flatten them a little and place them on the tray. Don't forget to subscribe. We cook and bake a lot. We'll be uploading videos weekly, so make sure to hit the bell so you don't miss anything. Give them a little room on the tray to expand when they cook. Let's get these into the oven. We'll bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. While those are baking, we'll make our icing. In a mixing bowl, add in 2 cups of icing sugar, powdered sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of water. Stir together. If it's looking a little dry, you can add in 1/3 tablespoon of water. That's better. And you should be able to do this. It's ready. The biscuits are done cooking. Let's see what they look like. We'll let them cool down for a few minutes, then add on our icing. Spoon a circle of icing on top of each biscuit, and then press 1 walnut in the middle. Be sure to check out our growing collection of videos on our channel and see the link to our most recent video and a video recommended just for you at the end of this video. Try this recipe at home. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Do you like it? Is it delicious? We told you so. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, so you get notified whenever we upload a video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the kitchen next time. And remember, we don't make it unless it's delicious.